Monday to you. Well, today we're going to get right into the video. We're going to jump right in. We are talking drop cloth curtains. Yes, we are. We did it. We tried it. We love it. See why. All right, so let me get into why we decided to go this route. So, sorry, the lighting. The lighting's always an issue. But anyway, the reason we decided to go with drop cloths is because with it being summer, normally this room doesn't bother me, but in the summer it does. It bothered me last year too. This is a sunroom, so basically it's all windows, but in the late afternoon hours when we are eating our dinner, the sun literally beams through these windows and basically bakes us all as we're eating our dinner. And so usually you want to sit and enjoy your family and enjoy your meal. And it's just been so hot and the sun has been so on us that we're like, do we just want to scarf I noticed all of us have been just scarfing our meals down just to get out of Dodge, to get out of this room. And that's not what we want to do, right? We want to enjoy family, enjoy our meals and each other. And lately we haven't been doing that. We're just like, shovel it in and get out of this room. So I told my husband, I said, we've got to do something. And he goes, I know we do. And I said, do we do shutters? Do we do blinds? Do we do curtains? And he said, I don't know, figure it out and we'll do it. So I sat on YouTube. I was looking at different options. And I also went to Bed Bath & Beyond last week to look at curtain panels. And I'll be honest, I really don't like anything I see there. And the prices are outrageous. Like a couple curtains that I sort of liked were about $40 a panel, 40 or 50 actually. And I need 6 panels in here, so you can imagine how that adds up fast. And then you have to add on your curtain rods, your curtain clips, and if you want to do tie backs or anything else, you can see that it adds up very quickly. So anyway, I was on YouTube, and thank God for YouTube. Thank you, God, because you get wonderful ideas. Anyway, I kept seeing all these people buying drop cloths that you would use to throw on the floor before you go and paint, you know, to protect your floors. And I thought, wow, drop cloths, huh? But, and all of them made their windows look beautiful. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna go to Walmart and see what I can find. So I went there and I bought every single one on their shelves, which were 6 were left. And I brought them home and I got curtain rods and curtain clips. And I came home and I said, hubby, this is my vision. Can you make it happen for me? And he said, okay. So we went and got the ladder, the steamer, a pair of scissors, and we got busy. Well, he got busy. Big props to my hubby because he did all of this. I sat and watched him. I know, bad, Liz, bad. But anyway, we're a good team. We're a good team. He helps out, I help out. It's yin and yang, you know what I mean? So anyway, he did all of it. He did every bit of it, steaming and everything. So love you, hubby, thank you. Okay, a few things. Drop cloths are almost better quality than a lot of curtains. They're very heavy duty, very heavy. And if you're into the farmhouse, French country, I highly recommend these, highly recommend these. And I'm gonna get into some of the video I took over the weekend as we were doing the process, and then I'll get back with you, I'll circle back. So as you can see, I got Hyper Tough 6 foot by 9 foot canvas drop cloths, and I got 6 of them. Done. So you can see these drop cloths have many uses. Who knew they would work great for curtain panels? Love that. Now I took this right off the Walmart website. Each drop cloth was $9.97 and I got a total of 6 for around $60. Not bad. Now here you can see I got Better Homes and Gardens drapery rings. I call them curtain clips, and I picked up 6 packs for $8.62. And I went with the wider drapery rings. I normally get smaller ones, but I needed bigger ones to go on these thicker rods you see here. Also from Walmart. Now here you can see the drop cloths are hung, and we had excess left over, so we looped it over, and we were gonna leave it just like this. It looks super, super cute, but we decided to take it a step further. All right, guys, this is where it's gonna get a little interesting. It just so happened that I had this two beige and white buffalo check pillow covers that I ordered from Amazon. And I don't know why, but I was like, you got to use what you have. What if we cut these down and use them as valances to give it a more formal look? And I did order these valances off of Amazon, but unfortunately I had used these in my kitchen. So I used what I had, and I think it works. I really do. And here you can see he is unzipping the pillow cover, and then he's just going to cut it and make a valance out of it. Done. And in this clip, I just want to give you a view of what these panels look like once you get them hung without the valance that we're going to put on here. So it is very cute and it works, but I just want a little bit more of a formal look. Here you can see he is steaming the valances before he clips them up on the top of the panels. And here you can see our handy dandy steamer. Love this thing. It makes life so much easier, and it's way easier to use than an iron. Steam, steam, steam is the name of the game, and he did his best to get the wrinkles out. Some were very stubborn, so they'll just have to sit here and hang and let the heat hit the curtain panels, and I'm sure they'll eventually come out. But anyway, this is kind of the look I was going for. More of a French country formal look at the top, if you will. And I think it looks super cute. Now, had I bought the valances, this would have been way, way easier. But, you know, I wanted to save some money and just use what I had. And I love it. I love it. I love the way it turned out. Okay guys, so since last week I have made several changes in here. The drop cloth curtains being the main thing, but I've also added some darker elements, darker furniture. I've added Tuscan, French country, and farmhouse. So it's kind of like a melting pot of all three. So there's a little bit of something for everybody. So anyway, I'm going to share a few things, and then maybe later this week I'll do a night tour because I want you guys to see how cozy this room is at night. It is, I know I kind of gave you a glimpse of it, but I didn't do a one over on all the different vignettes. But anyway, is this not cute? This is my newest vignette. Okay guys, this is my favorite wall now in this room for many reasons, but check it out. Is that not cute? Is that not cute? Be still my heart. It's fun, it's different, I'm calling it my late summer display, but I've got an old farmhouse window there, and I've got a drapery rod up there that I swagged garland on top of, added the white party lights, and then I went down to my basement and I got my two metal wall embellishments to kind of add in that Tuscan flair. And it almost acts as if it's like shutters on either side of the window. And then down here, I made it like a little window box and added greenery and dried flowers and, you know, pops of color. And I'm calling this my late summer display. And I love it. All right, guys, over here is my old rustic door that I found at an antique store. And I love decorating old doors. And I've got this caddy corner in my sunroom. And I used to have party lights swagged from it. Sometimes I'd put a sign here. Sometimes, let's see, what else did I have there? I had my coastal decor. So I had a fishnet and my life preserver and my starfish on this last. But I wanted to change, so I took the party lights off. I hung this cute basket that I got from Hobby Lobby on clearance. And to that, I added greenery, also from Hobby Lobby, some artichokes and grapes, and that's it. And I think it makes for a super cute display on a door. And you can see right there, that's what it looks like. Super cute. And so when I transition into fall, I can just take the artichokes and grapes out and add pumpkins and fall leaves or fall foliage. And this would be an adorable way to display things seasonally in a simple basket. All right, guys, this is another door I have adjacent to my other rustic door that's catty corner. This one is also catty corner too. And in wanting to bring in more of a Tuscan element, because I think Tuscan goes beautifully during the fall months with all those earthy colors. So having a dark, deep wood and some metal or iron elements, hello, Tuscan. So I took down what I had here, which was my coastal decor. I also had a net, a life preserver, and a beach house sign on this with my little shop light at the top. I took all that down. I brought in this cute wood and metal wall embellishment. And to that, I added a cute wreath. And then I brought in a little like wall embellishment. I can't remember where I got that, but I thought it looked really cute. And then I left my shop light kind of to add that farmhouse look. And by the way, guys, at night, this whole display is so cute because the wreath is all lit up. It's adorbs. It's adorbs. But anyway, this just gives you two different options to decorate an otherwise boring old door. Breathe new life into it. Do something fun. Decorate it. Life is short. Change it up. Okay, guys. Right behind me is a new wall vignette that I created, last Friday. And I have to say, I think it's pretty super cool. But I've been having so much fun with my kids saying this, okay? Ready? Wait for it. Let there be light. Is that not cool? Or what? Or what? I secretly feel like a little kid with a new gadget, having fun, doing this. Let there be light. Love it. I love it. I'm such a kid. Gotta have light in your life, right? Anyway, guys, if you like these lanterns, they're gonna be perfect for this fall season, Christmas season. Can you imagine little bows tied on the top of each one for the holidays? Can you say cute? Anyway, I will link these in my Amazon store if you're interested. All right, guys, well, this is gonna wrap up my little video here. I hope you guys like my drop cloth curtains on the cheap and the new touches I've added here and there. I don't want to give it all away just yet, so you'll have to come back and see me Wednesday. But thank you so much for stopping by, for all of your lovely comments. You guys, I'm so bad at responding, and it's almost embarrassing at this point. I am so sorry. I'm a busy mama, and that's all I can say. I can only do so much, during the day and all that. So anyway, but I appreciate every single comment, you guys, and just know that, please know from the bottom of my heart, I love each and every one of you, and I really treasure every comment you guys leave. So anyway, check my Amazon store if you like anything in this video. I'm gonna see if I can link these drop cloth panels. I think my husband checked and he said they were on Amazon, but I'll double check, and if they are, I will link them. And the curtain valances in case you wanna do something similar. Other than that, you'll just come back and see me Wednesday. I did a lot of decorating this weekend, so I've got lots more to show you. I am not diving into fall because I don't want everyone to freak out. I have added some late summer touches as we transition into fall weeks from now. So anyway, love you guys. And like I said, this will close out my video. Lights out. Bye, guys. I couldn't help myself. I just couldn't. Love these. Pick yourself up some. They're awesome.